So we'll give that a dot punch and start to drill it out. Just got to find the centre. Fact, yes, pop one of them on. Something like that. Yeah, I reckon that's about right. Let's give that another go. So, got a 3mm drill. Just going to go through slowly, try and keep it level and straight. Yeah, it seems about right. Seems deep enough. See if one of them will do the job. Would you look at that? No bother at all. Look. I was expecting it to be a lot harder than that. Will you focus? There we go. As easy as that. Obviously these are just cheap Chinese rubbish really. I mean they were just bought off the internet. I think they were something like $2.99 including postage. You expect to pay or you expect to get rubbish when you pay that sort of money, but if you're not going for anything too sort of stuck, they do work. I've used them several times, but yeah, obviously they come with this end here which you drill in, but I mean that's useless. That is completely useless. But as you can see, it did the job. Lovely. I'll just bring you in. I don't know if I'll put this in, but there we go. Obviously this is where the snap bolt was. Threads are, you can see, or I can see them on the screen of the camera. That's as zoomed in as this lens will go. Threads are fine. That easy out did a lovely job. So yeah, there we go.